Good morning, beautiful. Let's begin your day by waking up your body by taking some deep breaths. In, hold, and out. In, hold, and out. In, hold, and out. Now, on the next breath, I want you to breathe in gratitude. Breathe in, hold that gratitude at the top. Think about how blessed you are to be gifted with another day. And breathe out. Now, let's do that again. Breathe in, hold that gratitude at the top. Think about how you're truly blessed to see another day. And breathe out. Amazing. Now, I want you to imagine a golden sparkly light shining over you, shining into your soul and throughout your whole body. This light represents joy and good intentions that you will carry throughout your day. Breathe this light in, hold, breathe out. Again, breathe this beautiful light in, hold, and breathe out. Good. Now again, in, hold, and out. Continue to breathe deeply at a pace that feels good for you. I am so proud of you for carving out this time for yourself as the first thing you did today. This is an indication of how your day will go to best serve you. Breathe this self-love in, hold it, and breathe out. Continue to picture this golden light glistening through you. This beautiful energy is spreading throughout your whole body and elevating your energy. Breathe more of this light in. Hold and out. Breathe even more of this beautiful light in. Hold it and breathe out. You're so at peace. Everything is working in your favor. Divine timing is always on your side. Remember that, beautiful soul. Remember that everything is working in your favor. Divine timing is always on your side. Remember this as you begin to come back to your body and become aware of the physical world around you. When you feel ready, begin to bat your eyelids open and look around with gratitude. Congratulations on starting your day with good intentions. Have an amazing day, gorgeous.